Hello, in this video I will show you how you can install Google Camera on POCO F7. So first of all you have to go to Play Store and from here search for app like GC Amateur. You have to download this app and when it's done you have to simply open it and now go to Gcams on the bottom over here and search for POCO F. And as you can see, when I'm recording this at this moment, uh, we have no POCO F7 version, so you have to select POCO F6 version, but when you are watching this after a couple of months, maybe there is POCO F7 version. But for now, let's take POCO F6 and click Start Download over here. Now close the ad and wait for downloading. So as you can see, it's done. So you have to tap to install to start installation, but it doesn't work in my case. So I will show you how you can install it manually. So click Open in Folder, Files, and you can find this file over here. So click on it, and this is the camera. Do you want to install this app? Click Install. And now your Google Play Protect don't want you to like install this app. So click on more details over here and click install anyway. And now it's scanning for viruses, so you have to wait a couple of seconds. But as you can see, no virus found, so you can simply click open, and now you have to allow these permissions for the camera, location, record audio, and files. Also, this permission allow access to manage all files. And now go back and open the camera. And as you can see, this is the Google camera. So you can use it from here. So thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.